everyone. Today I am going to share a beautiful morning assembly script in front of you. You can start your day with a beautiful quotation like honesty is a best policy or any adverb you can use here. So, I, Poonam Tomar of 9th B, wishing you a very auspicious morning to our honorable, respected principal sir, respected teachers and my dear friend. Today, as of 10th February, let us start our day by offering prayers that Supreme Almighty. I request you all to please join your hands, close your eyes and bow down your heads and start singing the morning assembly. Then the time of pledge comes. It's time to take an oath to fulfill our duties by saying pledge line. So for that, I call upon Rakesh, Aradhya, Nishan to administrate the pledge. Now it's time for the thought of the day. To enlighten us and brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Nishan to deliver a beautiful thought of the day. Now time of news headlines. Knowing what's happening around the world is very essential duty for all of us. So, for that, I would like to invite Akansha of 8th B to aware us about today's current happening. And it's time to shower birthday wishes. Today, Mr. Ansh Agrawal is celebrating his birthday. So dear schoolmates, may God bless him with lots and lots of love and care. Let us wish and make them happy. Now, dear friends, I would like to request our walking road model and an ideal perfection, none other than our respected principal sir to give his and her valuable advices. Now it's time to invite our teacher. We are proud and it is a great honor taking this opportunity. May I request our respected ma'am to come upon the stage. Now this is the time for the national anthem. It is the time to utilize the 52 seconds for the world best national anthem, Jan Gan Man. So students, get ready for the national anthem. With this, we are dispersing our morning assembly and thank you so much for joining, and now you may move to your respected classes. Thank you so much. Have a cheerful day. Thank you so much for coming this channel and watching my video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. That's why you will get all the updates of this channel. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.